Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sandusky District Library's virtual story time. We're on week 7. Are you ready? Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome, welcome everyone. I am so glad you're here. So today I'm going to share books about butterflies. And our first book is called Don't Worry Bear by Greg Foley. Ready? Late one afternoon, a little bear found a caterpillar hard at work. "What are you doing?" asked Bear. "I'm making a cocoon," said Caterpillar. "I'll stay inside for a while, but I promise you'll see me again." That night, Bear got worried. He came to check the cocoon. Caterpillar said, "Don't worry, Bear. I'm not afraid of the dark." He came again on a windy day. Caterpillar said, "Don't worry, Bear. A little wind doesn't bother me." He came when it rained. Caterpillar said, "Don't worry, Bear. I'm not getting wet." He came when it got cold. Caterpillar said, "Don't worry, Bear. I'm very warm and cozy." He brought Mouse to see the cocoon. Mouse said, "Don't worry, Bear. I think Caterpillar's sleeping." The little bear stopped worrying about Caterpillar until, oh no, Bear found the cocoon empty. Then he started worrying all over again. While Bear was worrying, a beautiful silk moth fluttered by. Bear said, "Caterpillar's gone. I'm afraid I'll never see him again." Then the silk moth landed on Bear's paw. "Don't worry, Bear," he said. "I'm right here." The end. Okay, so for our craft this week, we're going to make a picture that has a butterfly in it. So you should, in your craft kit, you should have a paper plate, and then you should have some flower shapes, and you should also have a butterfly. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to get your crayons, your colored pencils, markers, whatever you want to use, and you're going to take this paper plate and you're going to draw kind of a straight line, however you want to do it. And I would draw, and you're going to color 1/2 blue and then 1/2 green. So we're going to have the sky and the ground, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to take each one of these flowers and you're going to color it whatever color you want to color them. Red, purple, blue, brown, whatever color you want to color them. So you're going to color each flower however you want to do it. And then you're going to take your butterfly and you're going to color that as well. And color it, put spots on it, however you want to color your butterfly. It's your butterfly. Color it however you want to, okay? And then once you're done coloring, you're going to need a glue stick or tape, whatever you have at home. So I'm going to show you mine. So what I did, see, I colored my plate, half my plate blue, half my plate green. I colored each one of my flowers. So I have like a pinkish purple one, a blue one, and a purple one, or a red one. And then I took a blue marker and I made the middle. And then I colored my butterfly. And then I put little dots on the back side. And so when you glue your butterfly, you're going to want to kind of fold the wings so they kind of stick up. And you can do this for as much as you need to. And then I forgot, you're also going to have little pom-poms. So then I glued little pom-poms in the center. Yours could be bigger, they could be smaller, they could be different colors. It all depends on what you get in your bag, but that's what you're going to do with your pom-poms. And so now you have a pretty scene of a butterfly visiting flowers. Okay. Okay, are you ready for story number 2? This story is one of my all-time favorites. You might have, it's pretty popular, so you might have already read it, or you might even have seen the story, but it's so good, I had to read it today. Okay, it's called The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and can you guess what? He was a beautiful butterfly. Great. Okay, my friends, that was my last book for today. Next week is our last spring virtual story time, and we are going to talk books about superheroes. So I wanted to share a few books that you could check out at the library. One is called Good Morning Superman, The Big Book of Girl Power, and Elliot Jones, Midnight Superhero. Like I said, next week's our very last spring virtual story time, but don't worry, I'll be back in 2 weeks with our summer virtual story time. So I am excited to share all new books and new themes, and we'll do new crafts in a couple weeks. So we have 1 more week of spring virtual story time, and then we will take a short break and be back with summer. Okay, are you guys ready to do the ending poem? Okay, get ready. Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Bye everyone, I will see you next week.